Hi, to enable and disable double tap gesture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, just open Settings on the phone and here find Advanced Features tab. After that, you should pick Motions and Gestures. And here it is, double tap to turn on screen and also double tap to turn off screen. So if you want to enable both of them, you need to tap on those switchers near the features, like that, so it will light up blue. And now we can double tap to turn off the screen. And after that, we can double tap to turn it on. As you can see, everything is working just fine, so this is really fun and helpful feature sometimes. And to disable this, go back in Motions and Gesture settings and tap on those switchers so it will become gray. And now you won't be able to turn off or wake up the screen with the help of double tapping. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.